In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart in PowerPoint 2007 step by step, even if you've never created a chart before. Pie charts are a great way to show percentages, proportions, and simple comparisons in a clear visual format, and PowerPoint makes it easy to build one right inside your presentation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to insert the chart, enter your own data, and customize it so it looks clean and professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open PowerPoint 2007 and go to the slide where you want to add the chart. On the top menu, click the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding visual elements to your slide. From there, click Chart. A window will open showing different chart types. Since we want a pie chart, choose Pie from the list. You'll see several pie chart styles available, so pick the one that fits your presentation best. Once you've selected it, click OK. PowerPoint will now insert the pie chart onto your slide, and at the same time, an Excel window will pop up with sample data. This is where the chart gets its information from. Next, look at the Excel sheet that opens. You'll see default category names and the numbers already filled in. Delete those sample values and replace them with your own data. For example, you might enter category names like sales, marketing, support, and development, then type the corresponding percentages or numbers in the next column. Make sure your data adds up properly if you want accurate slices in your pie chart. As soon as you update the numbers in Excel, the chart in PowerPoint will automatically change to match. That makes it very easy to see your charted updates in real time. Once you've entered all your data, you can close the Excel window to return to PowerPoint. Your chart will stay on the slide, and now it's time to customize it. Click on the chart and then use the Chart Tools options to make changes. One of the first things you should add is a chart title so viewers immediately understand what the pie chart represents. You can click the title area and type something clear, like Department Budget Breakdown or Monthly Expense Distribution. After that, add data labels so the percentages appear directly on the chart. This helps make the chart easier to read, especially when you're showing an audience or sharing it in a report. You can also adjust the chart colors and styles to make it look more polished. Choose colors that are easy to distinguish from one another, and if needed, use a simple style that matches the rest of your presentation. The goal is to make the chart look clean, professional, and easy to understand at a glance. You can also resize or move the chart on the slide until it fits your layout nicely. And that's it. You have now learned how to make a pie chart in PowerPoint 2007, enter your own data, and customize the design for a professional result. If this tutorial helped, please like this video and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.